This is Art with Raven, and today I'm gonna be making a origami fox. And what you need origami paper and something like you need crayons, or you can use markers or pencils. So first off, what you're gonna do, you're gonna turn your paper like this, like a diamond shape. And then you're gonna fold this to the right. And then you're gonna do this. Okay. So then you're gonna unfold it. And then you're gonna fold it to the top. And this time, you're not gonna unfold it. You're gonna take the top, and then you're gonna fold it down to the bottom. And then this part, you're gonna fold up. And do the same thing to the other side too. And then, when you turn it around, it should look like this. And now, you're gonna draw the face. You don't have to do the same face what I'm doing, but I just want to do this face. Bye!